Hi, welcome to my channel 2 Irrational, where we see everything mathematics and statistics. This is Pranay Sharma, and in this video I'll talk about how we would find statistical values like mean, median, variance and more for a single variable using our calculator FX991ES. We'll not only find these values for individual valued data but also for frequency valued data as well. First, let's do for individual valued data. First thing we'll do is go to mode 3, that is stat, and we'll go to our 1VAR, that is going to be for one variable data. Here you will see we have a table where we can input our individual type data. Let's take an example. Here we'll just input the data. I'll say 27, then equal to 32.2, equal to, and so on. After we have completed inputting all our data, all we have to do is press AC and we go back to our stat mode. I'll press shift and 1. Here we have a lot of options. Now in this, what all we can find is all of these kind of values. We have summations, we have n, x bar, sigma, s, minimum, maximum, q1, q3, median. So for that we have different types of menus here. You can go to the sum. If I press 3, I have an option of summation x as well as summation x square. For summation x, we'll press 2, and if I press equal to, I get my summation x. That would be 226.2. Then for summation x square, I'll go again shift 1, 3 and 1. I'll press equal to. To find n, x bar, sigma, s, I'll go to shift 1 and I will have this VAR. So if I press 1, I get n, that is 8. I'll go again and find all the values. For minimum maximum, we have another here 6, you can see 6, and I have minimum, maximum, q1, median and q3. I'll find all of these values. Similarly, if I want all of these values for a frequency valued data, first I will have to turn on the frequency mode. For that, we go to shift and mode. That means we'll be going for setup. And if I go down, I have here stat. I'll press 4. And here you have an option of whether you want frequency on or off. I will say 1, I'll get my frequency on. Now if I press AC and I go to mode 3, one variable, now I have different kind of data where I have x as well as frequency for x. Let's take an example for that. So for this frequency distribution data, all I have to do is write my x values and the frequencies. First we'll write all the x values, then all the frequencies. So I'll have 10 equal to 20 equal to 30 equal to, it's taking frequency as 1, that is okay for now. We'll change that. Now I have input all my x values. I have to go to frequency. I'll use my navigation key. I'll press side arrow, go up, and now I will change all my frequencies. After completing our data, all I have to press is AC, go to shift 1, I have again the same options. Again for sum, I'll press 3, get my summation value. For n, x bar, sigma and s, we'll go to 4, we have the same options. for minimum, maximum and all the quartiles value. Okay, we'll be going for 6. I accidentally pressed 2. So again shift 1 6. We have min, max, q1, median and q3. Hope this was helpful, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and please comment below what you would like me to solve in this calculator in further videos. See you in the next one.